folks, we're all forever recovering, but check this out. If you thought that this tree wasn't looking good, wasn't going to make it, sure, some of the fruit will abort, but there's two for every one of those. There's another six fruit on here, looking great, filled out. I kept up with that regimen I posted. Leaves were looking super yellow. There was not a whole lot of leaves on this guy. I skipped the feeding and nutrient session, and recovery was amazing. I'm counting so many lemons. And got those summer leaves on. Like, they put on summer clothes. They get out of their winter long sleeve sweaters, and then they put on the short sleeves tank tops. And this is that red blood orange. Maybe I shouldn't have let it fruit at all. Generally, citrus are good with deciding what they should and shouldn't do. I let it do its thing. We shall see. And I still have no idea what the heck this thing is. Half the people on some forums said it was edible berries, and the other half said that it wasn't. Or rather, that some people made soups out of this in other countries, and some people said I could die. And I'm pretty sure this is yam leftovers. I had one in there somewhere. This other plant done took over. So I don't know if it's alive in there or not. We shall see. But you guys let me know in the comments. Can I do anything with this? The berries are green, but there are some black ones in there. And this recovery on this sunflower is amazing. Normally when the top of them break, they don't recover. You see all the watermelons that are growing in. Everywhere. There's some on the back over there that I'm gonna have to pick. As you see, this thing goes way over there. It goes from here, climbs all the way up, and it just mixes in with this. It just goes way over there. And I'm going to talk about the neighbors. If this was lower to the ground, they could pick passion fruit. Next season, everything doubles in size, so we'll see. Got quite a bit of fruit over there. Got some flowers happening. Well over 100 degrees. Everything's looking good. I don't know. In a way, summer's the best when you get fruit. You got watermelon climbing up over here. But summer is when you really get to come in here and pick stuff. This cloth bag. Some of this fertilizer didn't quite make it in there because it's bending over, but it is what it is. This is a 100-gallon, I want to say. It might be a 150-gallon cloth bag. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. Yams are supposed to, we're back there. I'd rather have those grow than whatever this is, unless those berries are delicious. And this watermelon over here, going right up to the top, mixed in with the passion. See here. Some watermelon coming in. I think I'm gonna have to trim down this passion. Getting kind of unruly. And in general, these tendrils, they can choke things out. It's that Mandarin orange. Looking good. I'm gonna let this grow out sideways. Get some thickness going. This other one, maybe I have it out to the sun too early. I'm gonna go move this into some shade, but I'm not trying to kill it. It's a little bit too stressed. I don't mind, like a little bit of stress is okay. It tried to flower. I think it's just getting too much sun, and it hasn't had a whole lot of time to acclimate. Not all citrus, even though they do well here, you can't just put them out in this heat like that right away. And this is bought at a nursery by me, Star Nursery. Flowers and everything. This is actually, I got this the same time I got that red orange, blood orange. It's kind of crazy. And I guess you're going to stick around for another season. We'll see what you do. Navel orange. Handling the heat well. Getting tons of leaves. No fruit yet. I need you to pick it up. And I might move that citrus center here. Gonna get some shade. But this is what happens when you get too much water on your watermelon. Or you let it hang for too long. Sugar baby. Look at that. Had a couple of these happen too. That's a nice size though for that. But I want it reduced by like, I don't know, 30% more sugar content. I'm still gonna try to eat it. Make sure there ain't no bugs or nothing in there. But in reality, that thing's heavy. That thing is crazy. I should have never got that bag this big. Watermelon is super easy here, but you just gotta pay attention to watering. You need a lot of water up front, and then afterwards, not so much. That could have been one right there. Maybe the other one's taking a lot of nutrients. Let's see here. So I got all sorts of stuff happening. I might just have to change up how I'm doing a lot of this stuff. And we got passion fruit here. Another one. Another one. This thing is just so vigorous in this zone. These hot desert climates are really close to tropicals in a way. It's just like a dry tropical in a way. Thing is taking the sun like a champ. This is year 2. We have foliage everywhere. Got this in that little pot. Let's chank this chunky boy. Oh, look at that. Didn't even see it. Not doing watermelon and you're in this zone, why not? It's so easy. I think I have 100% germination rate on seeds. Get a good seed company or just buy one from the store. Let's pick a few grapes. Didn't plant this. It just came back. I must have missed some tubers. Fig's coming back nicely. Remember I was super harsh on this guy. On the roots. Look at that. People thought I was crazy. Just need to get some growth in here. Missed my artichokes. Even the pomegranates are getting new flowers, trying to grow in. This is crazy. Crazy season this past year or so. At any rate, when are you going to start gardening? Get out there. Let's grow.